Hey friends, thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacey, and in this video I have for you some great summer inspired finds from Walmart, from Target, from Amazon. It is summertime where blue skies and sunshine are guaranteed. Where are my Disney fans? Who can name what movie that came from? Leave a comment below. But guys, we've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. I will have all the links for these items in the description below. If you're watching from a mobile device, just click on the title of this video and it will open up the description for you. Now, our first piece is from the free assembly line. I did order this in a size small. I will have my height and weight in the description below, but guys, this top is just so sweet. It's such a lightweight material that's perfect for summer, will definitely keep you cool, but it's also perfect to wear to the office. You could just pair this with a pair of black slacks and you are good to go. It is a button down top. It has some nice pleating going all around the sleeves and the collar, but just adds such a nice little feminine touch. I did pick this up in, I think it was called the egret color. It has some black polka dots. It's also available in solid colors, a green, a pink, a floral print, and this is currently on sale for $17. This second piece is also from the free assembly line, and that is these pleated shorts. Again, ordered in that off cream, off white color. These shorts have an elastic waist. They do have a flat front with a couple pleats going down the front, which just adds such a classic look. They are a very relaxed fit, so I did order these in a size small. They are a linen blend material, lightweight, nice and flowy, perfect for summer. I paired this shirt with these shorts and it is such a perfect match. I really like this outfit. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. But between the top and the shorts, it's such a lightweight material, perfect for summer. You have two functioning pockets in the front. I like the little pleats right here. I think it's very flattering, gives you such a classic look. Now, I will say I do have nude undergarments on. These shorts are slightly see-through because I can see a little bit of the top. I can see the polka dots. I can't see my underwear or anything like that, but keep that in mind when you're putting this together. Let me untuck the shirt so you can get an idea of as far as how long it is. So I'm about 5'4" for height reference, and they consider this, they call this like a camp shirt because it has that little square cutout, but overall just a very cute top. Definitely recommend this outfit for summer. This next skirt is from the Scoop line, and that is this Eyelet Skirt with a little tiered ruffle down at the bottom. It is a midi length. I did pick this up in a white. It's also available in a black. I ordered a size small. It is 100% cotton. It's a very lightweight skirt. It is lined underneath. I paired this skirt with this cami and these matching earrings from Target. I will have everything linked below for you guys, but check out this skirt. You have two functioning pockets. This is a very lightweight skirt. Definitely keep you cool for summertime. I really love this skirt. It's just so cute, so feminine. It does have a little self-tie belt. It has the elastic waist. Now the belt is removable, but I feel like it just adds such a little special touch. I am noticing that it is slightly see-through. The skirt is lined, but I can see a little bit of my tank top coming through. I can't see my undergarments. I am wearing nude undergarments, so keep that in mind when you're putting your outfit together. This next dress is from Walmart as well. This is the Beach Lunch Lounge line. Try saying that 3 times, but no, this is a linen blend dress. It has a beautiful little striping over here. It's also available in another stripe pattern too. I paid $22 for this dress. It's a pullover style with a little button in the back with a keyhole opening. This dress is perfect for summer, guys. It's such a lightweight material. It is lined underneath. Everything's very light. There are 2 little slits on the side of the dress. I just like the stripe material. To me, it gives it a little bit of a nautical feel. So I'm going to actually pair this dress with this straw bag that is currently on rollback. Guys, this purse is only $27 right now. I have been waiting for this to come back in stock, so hopefully it will stay that way the minute I post this video. But I did pick up this straw bag. It has the rose-colored little handle here, a nice little satin handle, which is very soft and comfortable. It is a crossbody bag. There's an actual strap that is adjustable. You can take this off. You can hold the bag this way on your wrist. I thought this will just pair very nicely for summertime, having a nice straw bag, or you can take the strap and wear it like a crossbody. This next find is from Amazon. We are in sandal season, and what better way to get our feet ready than a foot mask? Guys, I was intrigued by this. It has 4.5-star rating with over 40,000 reviews, so I was like, all right, we gotta give this a try. But basically, it's a foot mask for your foot. I guess it takes about 2 weeks, so I will keep you posted. I'll give you guys an update on this. There are 2 masks in this package. I paid about $20, but basically you put your foot in the mask, let it soak there for a little bit, and then your foot, I guess all the dead skin peels right off, and within 1 to 2 weeks, it's claiming that you'll have baby soft feet. So I will keep you posted, but yeah, with a 4.5-star rating at 40,000 reviews, I was like, all right, this probably works. So, but this will get my foot ready for these cute sandals. Oh my gosh, guys, these are from the Scoop line. These sandals are just so cute. I love this blue color. It has the nice little ribbon tie, a nice cushioned footbed. Now it is a flat shoe. There is a little bit of a raise here, but I would still classify this as a flat shoe, so it doesn't have much arch support. The bottom is not slippery at all. It has some traction, but overall, I thought these were the cutest sandals, so I had to pick up a pair. Another pair of shoes I picked up, and this is actually from the Sam and Libby line. Oh my gosh, and it is this block heel. It's a gold leaf, shiny shimmer metallic material. I believe, I paid $25 for these. Both sandals, I would stay true to your size. I did order these in a size 9. But what I like about it is it has a nice little block heel. It's about 2.5 inches. Again, it's another one of those tie around your ankle. Nice little soft footbed. This area here is just so soft. It has a little bit of a, I would say a little bit of a cushion to it, but yeah, the shoes very comfortable. I was walking around these in the house and just very impressed with them. But I love that little gold finish there. Just such a pretty finish. This next top is also from the Free Assembly line, and this is this square neckline top. It is a relaxed fit. I did order this in a size small. I would recommend sizing down because it's such a flowy fit that it was just a little too roomy, too big for me. It's also available in a yellow, a white, and a pink color. I paid $20 for this top. It does have a square neckline, nice little flutter sleeves, a little pleating in the front as well as in the back. This is such a nice top. It has such a great feel to it. It feels like a quality piece. Now I would recommend sizing down because it does balloon out a little bit. I'm even doing the half tuck and it's a little flowy, but overall just a very cute top. I really like the pleating design. It has a little piece of material on the side here to help keep you secure. So, I mean, if you like that flowy fit, it is supposed to have a very flowy fit, so maybe that's why it is a little bit oversized. But for me personally, I like to have something just a little, especially if I do that half tuck. I don't want too much material hanging here, but overall definitely feels like a quality piece. Now, I actually paired this top with these cute little earrings. I got a set of 4 of these earrings from Amazon. I will link them below. I was like, oh, these are just perfect for summer. But this next item is also from the Free Assembly line, and that is this blue romper. It is a button down with an elastic waist. It has a tie. You can tie it in the front or tie it in the back. It is a linen blend material. It's also available in a black, a white, and a sea foam. I paid $34 for this romper. I did order this in a size medium. I would recommend sizing down because it was a little too roomy, but overall it just has a great feel to it. Definitely has a little bit of a weight to it. Again, feels like another quality piece from the Free Assembly line. This final piece is from the Scoop line, and that is this blazer in a off-white color. It's also available in a black and a red. It has a notched collar lapel. It has 2 side pockets. The length is about 27 inches. It is a linen blend material. There are shoulder pads in this jacket, but it's also a lined jacket. Guys, this jacket has such weight to it and such feel. It definitely feels like a quality piece. I paid $40 for this jacket. I can't believe this jacket's only $40. This is a great find, guys. It has such a nice weight to it and good feel to it. It has 2 functioning pockets. I did have fun pairing this with the white t-shirt, these shorts I shared with you in a previous video from Scoop, and then those cute Scoop sandals. I just love that blue color, but overall, I am really impressed with this jacket. Now, it does have a little tie here where you can just kind of tie it in the front, or you can tie it in the back. I'm not a big fan of the tie. I might cut that off because I don't foresee myself. I just like to leave it open. I think it's really nice. And in this white color, I kind of feel like, all right, where are my old Miami Vice fans out there? You know, I feel like, yeah, Don Johnson coming over here. But overall, just a very high quality piece. So I will have everything linked in the description for you guys below. But thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.